Dakhanee. As this mood is processed in the lifestyle by the people, humans in the south, there's a little change. It have a very prominent, clear, defined rhythm into it, in its nature. And Guru Nanak Sahib is a big fan of natural discipline. If you want to have, if you see your school have everything so systematical, semester 1 and semester 2 and so on. Yeah, these many hours for math, these many, it's all systematical. It's got rhythm in it for you to achieve something. And in a way, this is the Raag also sets up a ritual.